Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about our daily routine in English. You will learn simple words and sentences about everyday activities such as waking up and eating breakfast, going to school or work, and going to bed. So let's begin. Daily routine vocabulary. Let's learn some common daily activities, okay? Wake up. Repeat. Wake up. Or wake up, okay? Fast wake up. Get up. Get up. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Take a shower. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Or go to school for beginners. Go to work. Go to work. Go to bed. Go to bed. Excellent. Let's say them one more time. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Go to school. Go to work. Go to bed. Great. Simple and making simple sentences. Now let's make simple sentences with these words, okay? We can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Next, I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school, or I go to work. All right, we can say, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. And very good, my friends. Now let's put everything together. Okay, listen to this example. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat breakfast. Then I go to school. I eat breakfast. Then I go to school. In the evening, I come home. In the evening, I come home. All right. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. This is a simple daily routine, my friends. You can change the sentences to describe your own life. How? For example, if you work, you can say, I go to work at 8 o'clock. I go to work at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Oh, now try to say these sentences, or now try to say 3 sentences about your daily routine. So, my friends, so I think it's enough for beginners. Today we learn how to talk about daily routine. We learn wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to school, go to work, go to bed, and we learn sentences like I wake up at 7 o'clock, I go to school at 8 o'clock, I go to bed at 8 o'clock. So now try to describe your own daily routine in English. So my friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe this video, share with your friends, and thank you for your watching. Goodbye, my good friends.